Hello friends, now to solve this expression we follow the BODMAS rule which dictates the order of operation. First brackets, then orders, D stands division, multiplication, addition and then subtraction. Now we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. In step 1, first we solve brackets. First we solve the operation inside the parenthesis. Within the brackets, first we still follow the BODMAS. So we first perform multiplication before subtraction. Now 9 multiply 9 minus 99. So first we perform multiplication. 9 multiply 9 equals to 81 and then after subtract the values. 81 minus 99 is equal to 18. We'll get the answer in negative because it has a larger digit in negative. So in step 1, the bracket simplifies to minus 18 and the expression becomes 9 plus minus 18 divided by 9 plus 9. Now step 2, division. Next we move to the division. We divide the results of our brackets by 9. 18 divided by 9 is equal to minus 2. According to the step 2, we perform the next because division has a higher priority than the addition. Now the expression becomes 9 minus 2 plus 9. Third step, addition and subtraction. Now we are left with the only addition and subtraction. So according to the BODMAS, these are equal priority. So we have solved them from left to right. So first we can subtract the values. We get 7 and final 7 plus 9 add the values 16 as a final expression. By strictly following the order of operations BODMAS, we ensure that the complex part of the equation brackets and divisions are resolved before the simpler arithmetics. And the final answer is 16. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.